We have made a terrible mistake of confusing in the Xhosa culture the quantity or the size of umgidi to be reflective of the quality of the man that is coming back from ulwaluko. Makwethu, I'm going to have to burst this bubble for thina sonke. Umgidi omkhulu is not an automatic guarantee that the man eyenzelwa lo mgidi izoba yindoda equality yayo ngokuziphatha nangokwenza efana nomgidi. Into that makes all the difference yimfundiso xa umntana engumkhwetha, not isize yomgidi wakhe okanye beathendwe ngabantu abangakanani okanye bekukho utywala obungakanani kulo mgidi. Yonke loo nto doesn't contribute anything to the quality of the man and how he is going to conduct himself. I'm going to try and say this one again. Umgidi omkhulu is not an automatic guarantee yokuba lo mntu wenzelwa umgidi uzoba yindoda eqotho, eqiqileyo, ekwaziyo uziphatha. We have seen in our communities, as different as they are, kids who were afforded or given imigidi yonokutsho, kubekho ihelicopter, kubekho ideko, kubekho iprogram, kubekho i-MC. We have seen these things. And utywala bomisa idonga, kubekho i-catering, kuhayarishwe i-fridge. We've seen le migidi. Now, in your mind, how many of the people or the young men excuse me, who were thrown that kind of a mgidi, who have reflected in their character or in the quality of their behavior as men